Hi, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I've got a video on a GoPro battery charger. So everybody's got like a GoPro 9 or 10 or 11. So instead of having the traditional GoPro battery charger, I've got an alternative, which is this one here. So this is the alternative GoPro battery charger to use with your GoPro batteries, and you get some alternative batteries with the actual battery charger. It comes with two extra batteries. So let's just get straight into the video and check this charger out. Okay, so this is the Adaptom battery charger box. So as you can see, this is what it's like inside the box. So it is for the Hero 9, 10 and 11. So this is compatible with those three models. It does come with two batteries already, which are not GoPro batteries, but they're just the alternative and do work the same way. So this is the charger outside of the box. So this is what it looks like. So it's a nice compact charger. It's got a matte finish on it, and you know, it's made of good quality as well. So there's the USB charger there, as you can see. So when you do charge it with the USB cable, there's a light there to show that it's charging. So I think it's really good quality. It's a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but like I said, it's the Adaptom battery charger for the Hero 9, 10 and 11. So this is what it looks like with the batteries in. So I've got one of the batteries in my Hero 9. It's one of the alternative batteries, so just take that out. So you get two of these that come with the charger. So these are the Adaptom batteries. So they look exactly like the GoPro batteries, just got a bit of a rounded edge on here. But you know, I've named them 1 and 2, so I've got one already in my GoPro. So that's what the batteries look like. So here's the original GoPro 10 battery, sorry, GoPro 9. So this is the battery here. So as you can see, it's more squared off, you know, the original GoPro battery, as opposed to the Adaptom battery, which you can see has got a rounded body, but it still works exactly the same and fits inside the GoPro. So as you can see, the way they've done it, look, you can see it's got 11, 10 and 9 compatible. What I've been using so far, I think these are just as good as the original batteries that you get in the GoPro. So that's how they go back in. So that just goes in like that. So they just slot in like that, and then obviously put that case down. So this is really handy to take away, you know, as a backup batteries, as well as you've always got power to your Hero GoPro. So these can be charged as well by a power bank, as well by the USB-C. So if you've got a power bank charger, these, you know, you can charge the actual charger. So, you know, I think it's a really good charger for the Hero models, the 9, the 10 and 11. That's all they work with as well. So as they are charging, these do light up red, these little LEDs here, and when it is charged they just turn to green as well. So I think these are really good value. I will leave the link in the description below of where I did purchase this charger for my GoPro. So I think it's really good quality, and you know, it's just alternative to buying the GoPro batteries. Like I said, it is really a nice case to just carry around and slip in your backpack, so you've always got power on the go. So I hope you liked the video on the Adaptom battery charger for the Hero 9, which I've got, but it is compatible with the Hero 10 and 11. So if you could like and subscribe to my channel, because it does help the algorithm to push my video up there on YouTube. Also, if you want to let me know in the comments below what you want me to review regarding tech on this channel, because I love all sorts of tech. You know, I've been into tech since I've been younger. I just love anything tech or gadgets that are, that interest me. Just let me know in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. So like I said, this was just a quick video regarding an alternative battery charger for the Hero 9. So hope to see you all soon on my channel, BKM Tech and Reviews. Take care.